In a quiet town, there lived a young girl named Lily. She loved animals and often took walks in the park. One day, she saw a fluffy white rabbit hopping around. Lily was excited and ran after it. She wanted to know the rabbit's name and where it was going. The rabbit had no collar, so Lily decided to follow it closely. As Lily followed the rabbit deeper into the woods, she noticed a small stream. The stream had clear water and shiny leaves falling into it. She sat on the edge and watched the fish swim beneath the surface. The fish were silver and moved gracefully. Lily thought the stream was magical and wished she could stay there forever. Lily continued her journey and came across a tree with a big red apple. The apple looked juicy and delicious. She reached out to pick it, but the bird perched on the branch flew away. The bird had bright blue feathers and a yellow beak. Lily felt disappointed but smiled at the bird's quick escape. At the edge of the forest, Lily found a small bridge. The bridge was made of wood and had a red rope for handrails. She crossed it carefully, looking at the rocks beneath the water. The rocks were smooth and had moss-covered surfaces. Lily felt a bit nervous but proud of her bravery as she reached the other side. Lily noticed a group of butterflies. The butterflies were dancing in the air, flapping their wings rapidly. She sat down and watched them closely. The butterflies landed on a single flower, which was bright yellow and full of petals. The flower smelled sweet, and Lily felt happy to see the butterflies feed on it. After the butterflies left, Lily spotted a bird's nest. The nest was made of twigs and leaves and was sitting high on a branch. She looked around to make sure no one was watching. The tree was tall and had plenty of leaves to hide the nest. Lily decided to take a closer look but stayed far enough to not disturb the birds. While exploring, Lily heard a soft sound. The sound came from a nearby bush. She walked closer and saw the rabbit again. The rabbit was hiding, looking at her with big eyes. Lily stretched out her hand, and the rabbit approached slowly. The rabbit was gentle and seemed to recognize her. Lily decided to help the rabbit. She took out a small piece of fruit and offered it to the rabbit. The rabbit sniffed it, then ate it with joy. The fruit was a banana, which Lily had in her pocket. The rabbit licked its lips and looked at Lily with appreciation. Lily felt a bond forming between them. As the sun began to set, Lily noticed a cave in the distance. The cave was dark and looked mysterious. She walked toward it and found a small light inside. The light came from a glowing mushroom. The mushroom was colorful and had a soft glow illuminating the cave walls. Lily was amazed and wanted to explore more. Inside the cave, Lily saw a group of glowing rocks. The rocks were lined up and created a path. She followed the path and discovered a hidden garden. The garden had many unique flowers and trees. The sun had already set, but the garden still had light. The light came from the glowing rocks and the flowers. Lily was amazed by the beauty of the garden.